As the 2026 tennis season heats up, Nike introduces a bold performance shoe inspired far from the courts of Australia. The Nike Zoom Vapor 12 Hypersmash Miami takes visual cues from South Beach, blending vibrant style with elite on-court technology. The shoe features eye-catching pink tones paired with turquoise accents and a contrasting black swoosh, creating a colorway that reflects Miami's nightlife and coastal energy. Built for speed, the lightweight mesh upper is reinforced with supportive overlays to enhance breathability while maintaining stability during quick lateral movements. Underfoot, Zoom Air cushioning provides a responsive and low-profile feel, helping players stay fast and connected to the court. A sculpted midsole and durable outsole deliver consistent traction on hard courts, while the reinforced heel helps keep the foot locked in during intense rallies. Beyond performance, the striking design makes this release stand out in Nike's 2026 tennis lineup.